Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
कायद्यान निर्यांक बंदी आसा, मात दक्षिण गोंयांत जायत्या वाठारांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात धिरयांचें आयोजन जाता. साश्टीच्या तळावले गांवांत बिरेस्तारा धिरयांचें आयोजन केल्लें. हे विशीं पुलीस आनी प्रशासनाक कळोवनूय ताची कोणेच दखल घेवंक ना खंय.
Yesterday, while I was traveling by the Varka route, so I had to connect to go through Varka through the Telavli, bridge. So while I was going, I observed at least a crowd of say 600 to 700 people. And there were bikes parked around on the road. There were many cars parked around, and lot of boys around, lot of boys, and a lot of tempos, like around 6 to 7 tempos. Then I saw there was a regime that was on the floor, and there was money, bundles of money kept on the floor, and people bidding there. So it was a kind of gambling. So soon I called the police station, Margao police station. So I spoke to this PI called Dilkush Velip. As I called him, he asked me, what's my name? So I told him my name. Then he asked me, what is your number? So there were a lot of questions that, he went on asking me, but they didn't reach on time to actually stop the bullfight that was going out there. I'm wondering whether this is a setting, because I don't think when a citizen needs to file a complaint, they need to give in all these details. They need to give in their name, the number, and all these details required. And right now, to be very honest, there are people openly, passing out comments. Since I have reported this, openly catching me at public places while I'm doing my daily routine. So this is the picture to all of this. When you report something for the society, this is what is happening.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगूण गावडे.